Before we begin, here's something most people never think about. Every time you see the US dollar in a movie, on the news, or in a country's bank, you are looking at the most powerful piece of paper in the world. But have you ever asked yourself why? Why does almost every country trust the US dollar more than its own money? And why has this one currency stayed at the top for so many years? The answer is full of war, power, smart decisions, and a few surprises that changed the world forever. If you enjoy learning simple stories behind big financial events, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we break down complex topics into easy and exciting videos. Stay with me until the end, because the final reason may completely change the way you think about money. A long time ago, the US dollar was not the world's most important currency. In fact, before World War I, the British pound was the king of global trade. Britain had a huge empire and many countries trusted its money. Businesses around the world used the pound for trade, and many central banks kept it in their reserves. At that time, the United States was growing, but it was still not the financial leader of the world. Then everything changed because of two terrible world wars. Europe was destroyed. Cities were damaged, factories stopped working, and governments had huge debts. While many countries were trying to rebuild, the United States was in a much stronger position. Its factories were producing goods, its economy was growing, and it owned a large amount of the world's gold. This gave America something very valuable that many other countries had lost: trust. In 1944, while World War II was almost over, leaders from many countries met in a small town called Bretton Woods. They knew the world needed a better financial system to avoid future economic disasters. During this meeting, they made one of the biggest decisions in modern history. They agreed that the US dollar would become the center of the global financial system. Instead of every country trying to trust each other's money, most currencies would be linked to the US dollar, and the US promised that every dollar could be exchanged for gold at a fixed price. This was a brilliant idea because gold had always been seen as valuable. If people trusted gold and the dollar could be exchanged for gold, then people naturally trusted the dollar too. Countries started keeping dollars in their central banks instead of holding only gold. International businesses also found it easier to trade using one common currency instead of dealing with dozens of different currencies. As the years passed, America became even stronger. It had the biggest economy, the largest consumer market, and some of the world's biggest companies. Investors from around the world wanted to put their money into the United States because they believed it was one of the safest places to invest. This created even more demand for the US dollar. The more people wanted dollars, the more powerful the currency became. But then something unexpected happened. By the late 1960s, America had spent huge amounts of money on wars and government programs. More dollars were being printed than the amount of gold the country actually had. Other countries started asking for their gold in exchange for their dollars. If this continued, America's gold reserves could disappear. In 1971, President Richard Nixon made a shocking announcement. He said the United States would no longer exchange dollars for gold. This was known as the Nixon shock. Many people believed this would destroy the dollar's power. After all, if the dollar was no longer backed by gold, why would anyone trust it? Surprisingly, the opposite happened. Instead of collapsing, the dollar remained the world's favorite currency. Why? Because trust was no longer based only on gold. It was based on the strength of the American economy, its stable government, its military power, and its financial markets. Investors believed that the United States could still protect the value of its currency better than most other countries. Another major reason was oil. During the 1970s, many oil-producing countries started selling oil mainly in US dollars. Since every country needs oil, every country also needed dollars to buy it. This created constant demand for the US currency. Whether a country was in Asia, Europe, Africa, or South America, if it wanted to import oil, it usually needed dollars first. This made the dollar even more important in international trade. Over time, central banks around the world continued to keep large amounts of US dollars in their reserves. They used these reserves during financial crises, to support their own currencies, and to pay for international trade. Even today, many governments believe that holding dollars is one of the safest financial decisions they can make. the dollar also became the main currency for global business. Huge companies buy and sell products using dollars. International loans are often given in dollars. Many important goods like oil, metals, and agricultural products are priced in dollars. Even when two countries are trading with each other, they often use the US dollar instead of their own currencies because it is easier and more trusted. Of course, this does not mean the dollar has no challenges. Today, countries like China are trying to increase the use of their own currencies. Some nations want to reduce their dependence on the US dollar. Digital currencies and new payment systems are also changing the financial world. Many experts believe the global system could become more balanced in the future. However, replacing the world's reserve currency is much harder than most people think. It is not enough to have a large economy. A reserve currency needs global trust, strong financial markets, political stability, and confidence that it will remain valuable for many years. Building that level of trust can take decades. This is why, even after wars, financial crises, and major economic changes, the US dollar continues to hold its position at the top. This power is not just about paper money. It is about confidence, history, global trade, and the belief that millions of people, businesses, and governments still place in it every single day. The next time you see a US dollar bill, remember that it is much more than a piece of paper. It represents decades of history, difficult decisions, and a financial system that changed the world forever. Whether the dollar keeps this position for another 50 years or whether a new currency rises in the future is a question that only time can answer. But one thing is certain. Understanding why the US dollar became the world's reserve currency helps us understand how the modern world economy really works. And sometimes the biggest power in the world is not a weapon or an army. It is simply the trust that people place in a single currency.